going on, guys? On today's how-to video, I'm going to be going over some different retrieval techniques that you can use for different baits. So I'm going to go ahead and toss out. The first one we're going to do is just kind of a steady retrieval. So go ahead and toss that out. So what this is just standard, just reeling it in steady. Don't really do anything at all. Now this can change depending on what bait you have. You can do it slower, so real slowly. You can do it fast, or you can kind of reel in, stop, reel in, stop. So you can just alternate speeds a little bit as you're doing this one. Next one I'm going to show you is just kind of a spring in and jerk method. So top back up. So as you're reeling in, you'll just reel in steady, and then you kind of just jerk up a little bit. And you can do different things too. So you can do like 2 jerks and reel. You can do 3 jerks, reel. You can do 1 jerk, reel. And then you just kind of, you can change those different speeds as you do it. So I can bring it fast, jerk, and just keep doing that. I can stop for a minute, then jerk, and then do stuff like that. So there's all kinds of different techniques you can use for that. So the next one I'm going to show you is kind of a slow pull in. So I'm going to go ahead and toss back up. So this one's a little bit different. It's typically used with plastic worm bait. So you just pull up slowly like this, and then you reel up the flat. Pull up like this, and then reel in that flat. And you can actually do the jerking method with this as well. So if you want to jerk a little bit, then you pull up slowly. Bring down, jerk some more, pull back up. There's all kinds of different little techniques you can use when bringing in baits. And it's always good to try, different speeds, different variations, different jerk types. It's the same concept of changing your bait colors, because you never know what's going to work on these fish. So trying different things like this will help entice them a little bit. I hope you found today's video to be helpful. And if you're liking what you're seeing, make sure to drop a subscribe below. And until next time, guys, keep it real.